Semifinals. Monday. Holiday.
Game na.
First set. Oh, dalawa sa inyo, di ba? Jam. First set.
Mako, ikaw na.
First set. Semifinals. First set. Semifinals. One. Two. Last lap yan, guys. Grabe naman. DJM Weekend Boys. First set winner. Uy, grabe ko. Uy, kinikilig ka naman, amo. Shoutout mo muna si Mar.
Shoutout kay Mar.
Rock and roll. Second set. Purple, yellow, purple. Kanino yan? Yun, dalawa. Mukhang isa lang may-ari hindi magkamukha. Kanina isang purple. Kay Carl. Ayun si Carl, may panginungo yung spam. ROI. Second set. Second set. Tembang ang dilaw. Last lap. Winner, chicken dinner. Bal, 304. Bal ng 304. The purple. The purple. 304. Third set. Mick, Jamie. Bal, grabe ka na.
Wala akong mintis ngayong August.
Last set matuloy lang
Let's go. Sana.
Isa na lang, last set, semifinals. Mick and Edward. Magbaback to back kaya si Mick, ang ating defending champion. Kaso walang kanyang kaduo.
Walang maingay.
Shoutout mo muna si kaduo mo.
Shoutout, Jolbu.
Last set, semis. Mick, Edward, Jamie. Embang. Winner, chicken dinner. Edward. Edward ko sa'yo. Uy. Finals. BJ. Bal. Edward. Finals. Finals. One. Uy, dumikit. Hahabulin ba? Umembang tuloy. Napigilan, umembang din. Edward. Champion. Edward, the pass forward. Champion. Champion car.
Koche, tatanggap mo na.
Champion car. GLG Shop. 10K B-Max.
12K.
Progressive 12K.